The Score Manager is where you will create, save, and load your scores. Open the Score Manager from the Scores button at the upper left. To open an existing score, tap on the score image. To open a factory example, tap on Examples and select from the list. After opening an example, it is saved to your library, so feel free to experiment as you will be working with a copy. Select a sorting method for your library from alphabetical, date, or length in measures. Select a thumbnail size to see larger or smaller images. Tap on the MusicJOT logo to see versioning and credits. To create a new score, select New Score. You will be presented with a dialog to name your score, and optionally, enter a subtitle, composer, and opus. The bottom half of this dialog has New Score Setup, and a list of factory supplied templates. After selecting New Score Setup, you will be presented with a scrolling list for adding instruments in the top half of the window, and a staff list in the bottom. Initially, the bottom will be empty. Each instrument selected will become a staff. You can always reassign sounds later under the Action menu, Staff Manager. Tap on an instrument to add it to your staff list. Each staff can also be assigned a transposition, which can also be done later in the Staff Manager. The Edit button allows you to rearrange the order of the staffs. When you are done, select Done from the top right. If you had chosen one of the templates instead of New Score Setup, the Staff Setup window would have been skipped and you would have been returned to the main score view, where you could begin working immediately.